அங்கே நில்லு, வாலண்டியர் அங்கே போய் நில்லு, கேட்டு கிட்ட. இந்த பக்கம் நில்லு, இந்த பக்கம் நில்லு.
ஓடு
Go and bring him by 3 good. Here the bell there. Somebody has to come and open the door. Nobody has come?
He comes and Rashid is
How about this boy? Good.
Blood without cut. Archie blood. I'm not feeling it. Today, blood without cut. Today, Archie blood.
Very heavy, sir. More for power. That's so far. It looks like a waste of fun.
Yes, sir. That would be
Fine. Very glad. Fine. What is this?
Light without cut.
Light?
Light without cut.
Not bird? The drama fellow. But actually there are only 3 trees. Very good. Does lava flow? Okay, all right. Now, what have you done for this? What is it you have put?
Ammonium dichromate.
What is it for?
Kami.
Then who is to explain this?
The boat.
Only a boat moves. Fine.
அவங்கள கிளப்பிட்டாங்க. I just lost a second. That is all the volunteers and
நிலமடந்தை கையிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்ட விதி தெக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் இருந்தாலும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகவுமே
Members of staff and well-wishers of our school and dear children, I have great pleasure in extending to you all a very warm welcome who have gathered in large number to grace our 13th annual day celebration. The school was started by us in 1974 with a view to imparting a sound education to the future citizens of our country. Thanks to the blessings of Providence and the benign support and encouragement of our parents and well-wishers, it has blossomed into a first-rate school under Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, catering to all people, children from various states of our great country, paving the way for national integration. We encourage the study of our national language, Hindi, to facilitate greater degree of emotional integration with other parts of our country. The CBSE system we follow has given us access to an academic fraternity of all India character. Education may be defined as the life-oriented and need-based formation leading to an integral development and maturing of the various dimensions of one's personality, which contributes to the general betterment of society. Should not be limited to formal training, but to the training of people in a variety of fields, thus enabling them to be active participants in building a new society. This would demand that the students be given sufficient social experience within the framework of education for a better tomorrow and to initiate us into the 21st century as desired by our Prime Minister. In our school, we impart a broad system of education keeping the above ideals in view. In addition to efficient teaching and learning of academic knowledge at a higher level, we subject our pupils to various other training programs incorporating some of the best elements of public school system, a peculiar British genius designed to foster leadership qualities and creative thinking. We have a team of highly competent staff to translate our ideals into realities. We have endeavored to ensure academic excellence in addition to all-round development of children. The annual Founders Day provides us with opportunities to harness the best talents of our children to stage a very interesting entertainment program to regale our guests who are present with us today. We also award handsome prizes to serve as incentives to heighten their talents in various fields. We are happy that the parents and other well-wishers of our school lavish on us the sustained encouragement in our endeavor to improve our school. I don't wish to expatiate on the extension plans we have to accelerate the further progress of our school, but we look forward to their continued encouragement and goodwill. We are happy to have a distinguished scholar in the person of our chief guest of today, Dr. K. Subramaniam, Principal of Vivekananda Residential College, Thiruvedagam, Solavandan, run by the Ramakrishna Mission. We gratefully acknowledge our links with this illustrious institution. Two of its professors have parents, friends, and all well-wishers of our school. May we hope you will have really a worthwhile time with us for a couple of hours to be delighted by our children's activities in providing you with an exciting entertainment program. Once again, my hearty welcome to one and all. Thank you.
வருகவே கல்லூரி
of annual report by our principal. All the prize winners are expected to
distinguished lady principal of our two very friendly institutions, the patron and patroness of our school, Mr. and Mrs. Ravindran, ladies, gentlemen and children. May I extend to you all a warm welcome for being gracious enough to be with us this evening, and I have great pleasure in presenting before you the annual report for the year 1986-87. New members of staff. The following members of staff have joined us this year. Mr. R. Vincent Raja, MA B.Ed for Biology. Mr. Vigulavangan, MA MPhil B.Ed for Tamil. Mr. Devaraj Goyal Pillai, B.A. M.P.Ed for Physical Education. Miss Thenmozhi, MA B.Ed for Geography. Miss Sahaya Mary Serene, MA M.B.Ed for Physical Curricular Activities. Consistent with this philosophy, we have been constantly endeavoring to blossom forth their other innate talents and capabilities. Within the framework of their new policy, the CBSE wants the school to enjoy 3 days to encourage the children. The literary debating society. This year we have started well-trained in Indian music. Socially useful and productive work. Under socially useful and productive work program, we are training our people in all kinds of skills at our fully furnished sport experience room with special attention to electronics. The children are trained to complete a number of projects in this area under the dynamic instructor, who is also in charge of the Western music and school orchestra. Our annual science and art exhibition, which has been witnessed by the audience, is a standing testimony to the creativity of our skills we have been attempting to implant in our children. This year, we have also introduced gardening for class 9/5 under the supervision of Mr. Pencil, slate, erasers and biscuits and sweets. The poor children appreciated the thoughtful gesture, and they were advised to be more serious about their academic work and come up well in their lives. Should they need further help, it would be rendered to them. It was a spectacular gesture of generosity on the part of our children to have collected more than 17,000 rupees from their parents and other benefactors to be handed over to Miss Percy Williams, the director of Hope International, for the benefit of the Helen Keller Society for the Blind of Madurai. Usual, whereas with us for the whole day undergoing the heat of the sun, wearing very patiently, and we are with the children almost 8 to 10 hours walking, putting themselves a lot of strain. Future plan. The management has ambitious plan for further development of the school. Next year we will be occupying the new building complex, which will be completed by that time. The first batch of students will be presented on 2nd March 1988 for the Central Board of Secondary Education examination at the 10th level, which will be a landmark in the education development of our school. We have been endeavoring to fulfill the rigorous demands of the CBSE, and our school hopes to be developed into a full-fledged higher secondary school, offering to the people the best type of all-round secondary education. We are extremely grateful to Dr. Subramaniam, MA, PhD, Principal and Professor of English, of Vivian Values to the Future Citizens, which has always been admirably done with laudable spirit of cooperation and teamwork. Our parents have always extended to us their warm cooperation and goodwill, and we are grateful to them for it. May we trust that all our guests assembled here will have a pleasant evening with us today. Once again, my hearty thanks to all of you.
prize distribution by the chief guest. G. Saravana Kumar. G. Saravana Kumar, Tamil handwriting competition third, drawing competition second. G. Saravana Kumar of LKG. J. Aguila, English oratorical competition second. And she is getting a prize for good conduct. Purnalata Jairam, Tamil oratorical competition second, singing competition first, and a prize for attendance. Prasanna.
Point the book.
Arun Prasanna. Tamil oratorical competition third, singing competition second. K. Vignesh Babu, drawing competition third. Vignesh Babu. That's all with the LKG. UKG children. R. Tyagarajan, English handwriting competition first. S. Lakshmi, English handwriting competition second, English oratorical competition third, singing competition second. C. T. Anand, English handwriting competition second, Tamil oratorical competition second. M. Gayatri, English handwriting competition third, drawing competition second. M. Gayatri, first, Tamil oratorical competition first, drawing competition first, singing competition first. R. Mahesh Priya, Tamil handwriting competition first. S. Anita, where is Mahesh Priya? S. Anita, Tamil handwriting competition third, Tamil oratorical competition third, drawing competition third. S. Anita, third. S. Abhinesh, drawing competition second.
Good. Thank you.
G. Harish Katari. Harish is getting a prize for attendance. Drawing competition second. G. Harish, a prize for attendance. S. Anuradhika. S. Anuradhika. Third, English oratorical competition third, Tamil oratorical competition third. T. K. Swatika, Tamil oratorical. V. Abhirami, singing competition third and a prize for attendance. A. P. Balasaravana Raja. He is getting a prize for his good conduct. Next standard. Batra Raja Mohe, English handwriting competition second, Tamil handwriting competition third, Hindi Divya Rose, English handwriting competition, Tamil handwriting competition second, Hindi handwriting competition second, English essay competition third. Ashwin, Tamil oratorical competition second, singing competition second. Attendance. Anitra Chiba, English handwriting competition first, Hindi handwriting competition second, Hindi oratorical first, Hindi handwriting competition first, English essay competition first. T. K. Tangeshwaran. T. K. Tangeshwaran, English handwriting competition third, English handwriting competition third. Tanga Prabhu, drawing competition second. Chandradeepa, English handwriting competition second, Tamil handwriting competition first, drawing competition second. Vinod Sriramulu, English handwriting competition third, Tamil handwriting competition third, English essay competition second, English oratorical competition second, English Tamil oratorical competition second, drawing competition first, and singing competition second. Second, singing competition first and drawing competition first. Jay Prakash Narayan, English handwriting competition second, Hindi handwriting competition third, English essay competition second, English oratorical competition third, Tamil handwriting competition first, English essay competition third, English oratorical competition third, drawing competition first. Dhanvati Kamal, English handwriting competition second, Tamil handwriting competition first, Hindi handwriting competition second, English essay competition second, English oratorical competition first, Tamil oratorical competition second, Tamil essay competition first, Hindi oratorical competition third, dance consolation prize, singing consolation prize. Muthurajan, English handwriting competition third, English quiz competition first. K. Renuka, drawing competition second. S.R. Ramdas, English oratorical competition second, Tamil essay competition second, Abhirami, singing consolation prize. Ramnath Babu, consolation prize in singing competition. Singing competition second, Hindi handwriting competition second, Tamil essay competition third, Hindi oratorical competition second. S. Brinda, English handwriting competition second, Tamil handwriting competition first, Hindi handwriting competition first, Tamil essay competition first, Hindi oratorical competition first, Hindi essay competition first. M.A. Vaira, English handwriting competition third, English oratorical competition second, Tamil oratorical competition first, drawing competition first. A. Rajit Rai, Tamil handwriting competition third, English essay competition first, Tamil essay competition second, Hindi essay competition second. K. Durai Ganesh, Hindi handwriting competition third. R. Krishna Kumar, English essay competition second, English oratorical competition third. K. A. Revati, English essay competition third. Mr. Bala Johnson, English oratorical competition first, Tamil oratorical competition second, singing competition third. S. Saravana Vadivel, Tamil oratorical competition third. Kannan, Hindi oratorical competition third, handwriting competition second, Tamil essay competition third, Hindi essay competition third, dance competition third. S. R. Shyam Prabha, English handwriting competition third, Tamil handwriting competition first, Hindi handwriting competition third, drawing competition third, singing competition first, Hindi oratorical competition first, library third, Tamil quiz competition third, second. Divakar Ganesh, Tamil oratorical competition third, Hindi oratorical competition third, Hindi essay competition second. 8th standard, English essay competition second, Tamil essay competition second, Hindi essay competition third. Sandeep Kumar, English handwriting competition second, Tamil handwriting competition second, Hindi handwriting competition first, Hindi essay competition second, drawing competition first, library first. Davidson Vinod, English handwriting competition third, Hindi handwriting competition third, English essay competition first, English oratorical competition first, Tamil oratorical competition first, Tamil essay competition first, Hindi oratorical competition first, Hindi essay competition first, singing competition first, library second, English quiz competition first, Tamil quiz competition first. Shashi Kumar, Tamil handwriting competition first, Hindi oratorical competition third, singing competition third. Meenakshi, Tamil oratorical competition third, Hindi oratorical competition second, drawing competition third, singing competition second. A. Balaji, Tamil oratorical competition third, Tamil essay competition third. Virat Prabhu, Hindi oratorical competition third, singing competition first. NRK or Swazi Viratna, English essay competition third, English oratorical competition second, Tamil essay competition third, drawing competition first. G. Arun Selvan, Founders Day address by Chief Guest.
Sri Ravindran, Srimati Tilagavati Ravindran, principal of this school, lady principals on the platform, parents, enlightened citizens, learned members of the staff, guests, and my dear students. I am at the outset highly grateful to the management and the principal of this school for having given me an opportunity to see the wonderful work done by the school this year. When I listened to the report, I felt as though I was listening to the report of a college, not a school. Similarly, when the prizes are being awarded, I felt perhaps even some of the first grade colleges do not have so many prizes to be distributed. I am happy. Now the task before me is to deliver the Founders Day address. I have the small children who are talking in my French. I have the learned people there standing before sitting, and I have the staff. It's a wonderful mixed gathering. At the outset, I do not know whether I am understood in English. I do not know if we should switch over to Tamil. At this juncture, the principal has asked me to speak in English because this happens to be a school with English medium. And I do venture. Education fell in his hands. He said, I do two things if education falls into my hands. One, I teach concentration. Two, I instill an ideal. Concentration is to be understood. Ideal is to be understood. Do we mean what is the need of the society? Without the society asking them for a particular thing, they should give it. And that is the person who is really a Yajnamurti. This is a story narrated by Narada to Bhima. Now, I am very, very happy. This school is started by a philanthropist, a person who loves the society. Without the society asking him or asking her, he has started this institution to serve the society. Such people more and more should come into this world so that the society gets more and more benefited. Those who shrink are not Yajnamurtis. Those who express themselves in magnanimity, those who blossom themselves in charity, those who keep themselves at the disposal of the society, serve the society, are the real Yajnamurtis. An engineer can become a better engineer. A doctor can become a better doctor. A businessman can become a businessman when he is a Yajnamurti. And to acquire that ability is concentration, and that is tapasya. Effort is tapasya. Fruit, when it is dedicated to the society, it becomes yajna. Our philanthropists sitting by my side and either side, they have done wonderful service. They are going to do wonderful service. I am happy. They are keeping the ancient Hindu tradition, and the children now will become better citizens. I am very, very happy to associate myself on this pleasant occasion. Thank you all.
And Mrs. Sarojini Narajan, principal of BS Stadium Matriculation School, both of whom have always shown abiding interest towards our growing institution.
Oh,